Recall the ground opens. Remember the Earth's raw power. Sinkholes, gaping chasms swallowing homes, cars, even people. A terrifying glimpse into the unknown depths below. But what if these events are more than natural disasters? What if they are signs of something else, something hidden from our view? The Earth speaks, but are we listening or are we ignoring the warnings, blinded by our trust in official explanations? The truth, as always, may be far stranger than fiction. Prepare yourself. We're about to journey deeper into the heart of the sinkhole enigma. Across the globe, whispers emerge from the depths. Strange sounds, often preceding dramatic sinkhole formations. Low hums, metallic groans, the grinding of rock against rock. A symphony of the subterranean, unsettling and impossible to ignore.
In Florida, residents near a massive sinkhole reported hearing a roar like a jet engine before the ground gave way.
In China, witnesses described a deep, resonant boom preceding a sinkhole that swallowed a factory.
These sounds, dismissed by some as natural phenomena, take on a sinister tone when coupled with other strange occurrences surrounding sinkholes. Occurrences that defy easy explanation. The Earth is alive, they say. But what if it's not just the Earth we're hearing? One sound stands out, a low-frequency hum heard worldwide. The Taos hum, the Bristol hum. It goes by many names, yet its origin remains a mystery. Some speculate it's linked to underground facilities, vast and secret. Could these humming sounds be the byproduct of advanced drilling techniques, carving out hidden tunnels and chambers beneath our feet? Is someone or something working tirelessly beneath the surface, their activities masked by the constant, unsettling drone? The hum is often dismissed as mass hysteria or industrial noise, but for those who hear it, the experience is real, unsettling, a constant reminder that something unknown exists just beyond our perception. Is it merely a coincidence that sinkholes often appear near areas where the hum is most prominent? Or is there a more profound, more disturbing connection? Geologists offer explanations for sinkholes: natural erosion, underground water systems, shifting tectonic plates.
Acoustics experts try to explain the sounds, shifting rock strata, escaping gas, even the sound of the Earth itself breathing.
But these explanations often fall short, failing to address the sheer scale and frequency of recent events. The timing, the sounds, the sheer strangeness of it all. Something doesn't add up. While natural processes undoubtedly play a role, could there be more at play here? Are experts overlooking crucial details? Perhaps intentionally? The official narrative often feels incomplete, leaving room for doubt to fester. And where doubt takes root, conspiracy theories bloom. Adding fuel to the fire are eyewitness accounts of unusual activity near sinkhole sites.
Shadowy figures, unmarked vehicles, strange lights flickering in the darkness.
Are these simply the products of overactive imaginations fueled by fear and uncertainty?
In Pennsylvania, a group of teenagers claimed to have seen men in black suits investigating a newly formed sinkhole.
In Australia, a farmer reported a disc-shaped object hovering near a sinkhole on his property.
These sightings, often dismissed as hoaxes or misinterpretations, add to the growing sense that something is amiss, something unexplained, perhaps even sinister, lurking beneath the surface.
Are these sightings connected to the strange sounds and the sinkholes themselves?
Or are they separate threads in a tapestry of mystery, weaving a narrative we are only beginning to unravel? Conspiracy theorists point to a vast network of secret tunnels crisscrossing the globe.
Built by whom and for what purpose remains shrouded in secrecy. Some whisper of government experiments, hidden bunkers for the elite, even underground cities preparing for an apocalyptic future.
These tunnels, they say, are constructed using advanced technology capable of manipulating the very fabric of the Earth. Technology with the potential to go wrong, with catastrophic consequences.
Could these tunnels, if they exist, be the source of the strange sounds and the cause of the sinkholes?
Are we witnessing the unintended consequences of playing God with forces we do not fully understand?
The idea of a hidden world beneath our feet is as alluring as it is unsettling. And while evidence remains elusive, the possibility, however remote, is enough to fuel our darkest imaginations.
If these underground projects do exist, what are the risks? Could they be destabilizing the Earth's crust, leading to an increase in sinkholes and other geological events? Are we sacrificing the safety and stability of our planet in the name of progress, or worse, for the benefit of a select few? The potential consequences are staggering to contemplate. Entire cities could be swallowed whole, leaving behind nothing but gaping wounds in the earth. The very foundations of our civilization could crumble beneath our feet. The pursuit of knowledge and power has always carried risks, but are we willing to gamble with the fate of humanity itself? The answers, like the tunnels themselves, remain hidden from view. But the questions linger, a stark reminder of the potential consequences of our actions. Section 8. When nature and man collide. The truth, as always, likely lies somewhere between natural phenomena and human interference. A complex interplay of geological processes and technological advancements, each influencing the other in ways we are only beginning to understand. The Earth is a living, breathing entity, capable of both awe-inspiring beauty and terrifying destruction. But we, as a species, are also a force to be reckoned with, capable of altering the environment on a global scale. Have we pushed too far, tampering with forces beyond our control? Or are we simply witnessing the inevitable consequences of living on a dynamic and ever-changing planet? The answer, like the mystery of the sinkholes themselves, is far from clear, but one thing is certain: the ground beneath our feet is not as solid as we once believed. Section 9. Government response to sinkhole phenomena. Governments around the world are tight-lipped about the increasing frequency and intensity of sinkhole events. When pressed, they offer vague explanations, citing natural causes and urging the public not to panic. But their reassurances often ring hollow, fueling suspicions of a cover-up. Why the secrecy? Are they trying to avoid widespread panic? Or are they hiding something far more sinister, something that could threaten their power and control?
The lack of transparency only deepens the mystery surrounding sinkholes. It feeds the conspiracy theories, creating a fertile ground for distrust and fear. When governments refuse to be open and honest with their citizens, they only have themselves to blame when those citizens start looking for answers elsewhere.
Section 10. The role of the media in shaping public perception. The mainstream media, often accused of being complicit in government cover-ups, tends to downplay the significance of sinkhole events. They focus on the immediate aftermath, the human cost, and the efforts to rebuild. Rarely do they delve into the deeper questions, the unexplained phenomena, the unsettling possibilities. Are they afraid of what they might find? Or are they simply following orders, towing the official line and ignoring anything that might challenge the accepted narrative? The media has a responsibility to inform the public, to ask tough questions, and to hold those in power accountable. When they fail to do so, they become complicit in the very systems of secrecy and control they should be challenging. By controlling the narrative, they control the perception. And by controlling the perception, they control the people. Section 11. Conclusion: a deeper mystery unfolds. The mystery of the sinkholes runs deep, a rabbit hole of speculation and intrigue. Strange sounds, shadowy figures, government secrecy, and a media blackout all contribute to a growing sense of unease. Are these events merely natural disasters, or are they symptoms of something far more sinister, a hidden world operating beneath the surface of our own? The evidence, as we've explored, is inconclusive, but the questions linger, a testament to the enduring power of the unknown. The Earth speaks in whispers and roars, and it's up to us to decipher its message. But be warned, the truth, once uncovered, may be more unsettling than we ever imagined, for it hints at a reality far more complex and potentially far more dangerous than we ever dared to believe. Stay tuned for the next part, where we'll explore the connection between sinkholes and ancient civilizations. What secrets lie buried beneath the surface, waiting to be unearthed?